Hi. Hello.
Hi, welcome to Inkwarta. How are you?
I'm very well. How about you?
I'm good. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Hyderabad. What about you?
Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Yes, I am from Himachal Pradesh.
Oh, nice.
That's
I think
Thank you so much.
did we connected earlier?
Yeah, I think once we had connected
Yeah.
before as well, right? As far as
I
I can
talked
recall.
about place tourism places.
Yes.
Yeah.
Def-
Okay.
So, how was your day?
Yeah, it's good. Yours?
It was fine. It was pretty well.
Uh,
Uh, with that, yes, somewhat usual. Nothing special about it.
uh,
And you tell me, is there something special that you did today?
no, daily routine, usual as usual.
Uh-huh. Okay. All right. So,
Yeah.
okay, let's pick up your assignment then. Okay,
Yeah.
let's take it.
Sure. Yeah.
So name few interesting people you follow on social media. What makes them so interesting?
Yes, I follow couple of people on social media. Like first one would be like Mark Wiens. He traveled throughout the wall for food and makes vlogs on it. His presentation is authentically
Mm-hmm.
like in such a way, like it's a very pleasing way. His
Mm-hmm.
videos are well organized and inviting, and also like he recommends like restaurants like that. uh,
Mm-hmm.
he travels throughout the wall so many like it's like whenever we see his videos, like we get mouth watering, like
Mm-hmm.
so much it's like an eye festival to our eyes. So many, like he have 7.8 million subscribers,
Mm-hmm.
followers. Yeah. And second
Okay.
person would be like Sadhguru.
Mm-hmm.
He's one of the powerful influencer, I can say, like with his words. Like
Mm-hmm.
he's the most famous motivational speaker. Like he
Mm-hmm.
motivates us in our daily, like in personality development, like that.
Mm-hmm.
And third one would be like Britney Spears, who is one of the famous pop singer.
Mm-hmm.
She is like a worldwide, teenage sensation, I can say. Like
Mm-hmm.
his career is a mix of like controversy and success, like I can say.
Mm-hmm.
And fourth one would be like she's also one of the pop singer. Like she's Katy Perry, and
Mm-hmm.
she has a versatile personality. And she started from she started her career from singing in a church, and
Mm-hmm.
like that she started and went like became most powerful singers in the world.
Mm-hmm.
On social media like Twitter, she posts her own thoughts,
Okay.
like most of the celebrities, they are like they paid promotion like that, but she posts her own thoughts. I like that point in her. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
these are the people I follow on social media.
All right. Okay, definitely. And it's a very good thing that, somehow we are learning something from them
Yes,
as well. And some
yes,
people, even if we are not learning any particular thing, sometimes people motivate us so well that
yes,
we
really, yeah,
actually try to figure out what we want from life and how we
yeah,
can,
yes,
get that satisfaction from life.
yes, yes, really,
So, okay,
yeah.
talking about, you tell me, whenever you get attracted towards somebody's personality, then
Yeah.
what are the traits that you usually get attracted to?
They're genuine. Let's look at this Katy Perry. Like, she's not born rich or some or famous by birth. Actually, she used to sing in churches.
Mm-hmm.
Later, she became like with her hard work, like that, she became a world famous. So
Mm-hmm.
these are like reality. I can say, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
her these kind of things attracts me a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So basically, you like people who are self-built,
Yeah.
right? Who have made their
Yeah.
own career based on
Yes.
their own skills and hard
Yeah.
work. So you
Yes.
like
Yes.
that kind of
Yeah.
personalities. Okay.
Yes.
So do you use social media quite often?
Yeah. I use often. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So if I ask you, like, there are so many people who post a lot of stuff on social media
Yeah.
platforms,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
do you think that it's wise to judge somebody from how they maintain their social media platform?
Actually, no. Sometimes, like we can say like it's a 50-50. Like somebody, they are genuine. Like somebody, they may like just for talking purpose, like that to attract the people.
Mm-hmm.
It depends.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It depends on what.
Yeah. I mean, like we don't know how they are personal in life, right? Just to, we can see their posts like that. So we
Mm-hmm.
can't we can't say 100%. But okay, like suppose if we take about Sony Sood, like he really helped so many people in the pandemic. So we can
Mm-hmm.
say like okay, he is genuine. Like even there are the few people like Ambani, and
Mm-hmm.
there are the few big Bollywood celebrities who are richer than him,
Mm-hmm.
but they didn't help, but he helped. So if we compare like that, so we can say like he is somewhat genuine, like he is for people.
Mm-hmm.
Like in this case we can, yeah.
Okay, so basically, what you are trying to say is that yes, it's like 50-50 per
Yeah.
percent
Yes.
cases.
Yeah.
Some people are actually genuine, or we can judge somebody, or we can say that
Yes.
yes, we
Yes.
can judge a person from their social media platform.
Yes.
But
Yes.
some people are, yes, definitely, there are so many people, the celebrities, or so many brands and other organization who are having their own PR,
Yes.
who are
Yes. Yes.
representing them on each and every platform and making sure that they look good to the world.
Yes.
So
Yes.
yes, we cannot say much about it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, so suppose if you ever get the chance to have a lot of fame and name,
Yeah.
okay, with lots of money, of course,
Yeah.
then what kind of celebrity, or is there some idol celebrity that you have in your eyes you would like to be like that?
I would like to be like I want to like what you say, like I want to clear all these middle class people's problems like that. If I want to be like, if I am very like richer, so I can show the way like how we people like face the problem. So if I get a chance, I want to eradicate like that, so they can live happily.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what, if I get a chance.
So basically, whenever you will get this chance, you will utilize that name, fame, or money
Yeah.
for the welfare
Yeah.
of the people, or to
Yes.
help them. Even if you cannot
Yes.
give them money to all of them, then you
Yes.
will try
Yeah,
to give
even
them some good
even with
advice.
yeah, I can show the way like that. Even if now at present also, if I have a possibility, then I will show the way, like how I can
Mhm.
eradicate the problem.
Mhm. So have
Yeah.
you ever, like in past, had you ever got this opportunity to help somebody by giving some advice?
Yeah, like regarding jobs, like I used to give like that. Yeah, you give me your resume, I will tell like to my manager like that. I used to help them. Yeah,
Mhm.
whenever like if they like if they did not cleared also, I used to like whenever there will be the like openings, I used to say them.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Yeah.
so you usually help people around
Yes.
you with
Yes.
their jobs, or to
Yes.
help them get a good job,
Yes.
right? And
Yeah.
how you inculcated this habit? From where you get this thought that helping people like this will be very good?
Because I know the problem. Previously, I faced it like if we don't get a job, I know that feeling. And if any people or outside relatives, if they ask, so how much salary do you earn? Where are you doing? Like that, I know that pain. So I don't want other people to have same pain. That's
Mm-hmm.
what that's what I feel and I do.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, definitely, and I think it is, showing this kind of empathy towards other people is a good
Yes,
trait of being a
yes, yes,
human, right? So
yes,
actually, you are trying to help people, and you are trying to to help them in the time that you have yourself faced in your past.
yes,
So
yes.
I can understand it, and this is a very good thing. Believe me, you
Yeah,
are helping in a lot more ways. Giving
yeah,
somebody a job is not a small thing, it's a very big
yes,
thing,
yes,
very big.
yes.
Okay, so
Yeah,
with that, you mentioned that you read books.
yeah.
What kind of books do you read?
Like actually, I read only one book, like Power of Subconscious Mind. It
Okay.
like it's like I like 75% I read, and
Mm-hmm.
still it I have to complete that. But due to procrastinate, yeah, I left that.
Mm-hmm.
I need to complete. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So it's like that. You have read one book and you enjoyed it, right?
Yes.
You enjoyed
Yes.
the
Yes.
process, or you
Yeah.
enjoyed reading books. So tell me what you
Yes.
have learned from that book.
Like first of all, to get some positivity in ourselves, like we need to be subconsciously like happy. Like we need to be strong in subconscious. We have to believe. If I want to achieve anything, firstly I have to believe that, so that I can like subconscious mind will take and it will happen in reality.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's a great
So
book.
so
Yeah.
how one can change their subconscious mind? It must be very hard.
Yes, it is very hard, but we have to try.
Mm-hmm. And how
Like
one can do that?
like suppose after before going to bed or early in the morning, we have to do prayer, like in positive way.
Mm-hmm.
If we,
Affirmations.
yeah,
You're talking about
I can do,
affirmations.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I can do, I will do, like that. I will achieve it, like that. If we repeat, then our subconscious mind will take it, and later on it will come into reality.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, one needs to work on their subconscious mind to change their reality, or to have a good positive reality in front of their eye. This is how one
Yes.
can work.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Have you worked like this?
Actually, when I read the book, yeah, I felt like that. Yeah, when I was reading, yes, I followed that. But when it came back gap in between, yeah, I forgot that.
Mm-hmm.
It's a reality. Yeah.
Yes, and with that, I have also read, in so many places, or so many people suggested, the people who keep on reading on regular basis, they
Uh,
always suggest that one should reread the books.
okay,
Just giving
reread
a
the book. Okay,
right,
again.
yeah.
Okay.
So reading books again and again will help you memorize
Yes.
things,
Yes.
or will
Yeah.
actually habit. It is hard to change your habits, right?
Yes.
So
It's hard.
this is
Yeah.
the way how you can do it. Okay, so now as we can see, the call is heading towards the
Yes.
end. Let's wrap
Yeah.
it with a
Yeah.
feedback. So, okay, so yes, definitely, you are speaking in a very good way, but there is a lot of scope for sure.
Yeah.
Sometimes what happen, you are fumbling, or sometimes you are not getting the right word, right?
Yes.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
your basic or moderate level of English is fine. You are comfortable expressing your thoughts. So
Yeah.
now what you need to do, talk more. Are you speaking on regular basis with people around you whenever you get this opportunity?
Whenever I get chance, yeah, I'm speaking.
Wonderful, that's really nice. Try
Yeah.
to increase or extend the timing for spoken English. The more you
Yeah.
will speak, the better you will become, because
Yeah.
it's not that, yes, consistency is important, you need to do things on
Yeah.
regular basis, but with that
Absolutely.
you need to talk more, because when we are using a particular language more, the need or the mistakes that we are making, will be much more aware of it. So
Yeah.
that will be very much helpful for you. So start speaking in English as much as possible. Secondly, whenever you think that, oh, I don't know this particular sentence, then go for it, work
Yeah.
at it, so that from the next time you won't face the same difficulty. Yes, you have like you mentioned, you have developed a good reading habit. Continue with this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Buy
Yeah.
more
It's
books
really
and
nice
go through
talking to
them.
you.
Yes, it
Yeah.
was the same here. Okay, it is same
Yeah.
here that I enjoyed the
Yeah.
whole conversation. Thank you for calling,
Yeah.
Ingwarta.